are so excited to welcome back our students, faculty, and staff for the 2021-22 school year. Thanks so much to the construction crew who has been hard at work preparing the Student Center to be functional, operational, and able to accommodate dining services and all of you. For the fall semester, entrance to the dining hall is gained by using the northeast entrance path near the Scott Center and by using the stairwell to the second floor just inside the new entrance. ADA access is also available through this entrance, and an escort through the construction zone to the elevator will be provided. Just use the phone inside the vestibule to call the Lowry kitchen for an escort through the construction to the lower level to the elevator. Lowry Dining Hall will be open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, serving a variety of food options, including vegan, gluten-free, and vegetarian selections as well. Check your Wooster emails for weekly updates from me, including anything you'll need to know regarding dining that week. We are so looking forward to the completion of the Student Center project and can't wait to utilize the new features the finished facility will have, especially the ability to grow our very own microgreens in-house.
The construction crew has been hard at work making the necessary preparations to have the Student Center operational this fall. All the main utilities, gas, electric, air conditioning, heat, lights, and water were taken offline in late May. The contractors worked diligently to reconnect and reservice all the utilities and the kitchen equipment to be operational on the 2nd of August 2021. A new sidewalk and ADA entry was established on the northeast corner of the building. This safe walking path was put in place with blue flashing lights to allow all to know when the person is entering and passing through the construction zone. The construction team also built an enclosed walking tunnel with lighting throughout to accommodate deliveries to and from the dining services. Within the tunnel, temporary outside coolers and freezers are in place to store all the necessary items for dining. Temporary restrooms have also been installed on the second floor. Once these were completed, college staff began to clean and prepare the kitchen and serving stations to meet the open to serve date of the 10th of August. This project is a two-phase construction project. The contractors will continue their work on the ground floor and first floor, while dining services serve food on the second floor. There is the signage all around the construction fence to identify and direct people to the correct entrances and exits of the building during phase 1. During the same time frame, work on the ground floor and the first floor will be completed. Progress will continue to be made on the northwest and southeast corners of the building, and exterior work around the entire building will continue until August 2022. The dining staff and the construction team will work together side by side during this phase to accommodate as much as possible while sticking to a very tight construction schedule. As a student observer on this project, I'm excited to see many new features such as the all-faith chapel and the moving of the Center of Diversity and Inclusion into the Student Center. I'm also looking forward to seeing some of the features that will be retained, such as the fire pit and the alley. A project like this comes with many unforeseen challenges, and as the college, we would like to say many thanks to the people who came together to ensure the timely opening of the second floor. From the contractors to the college staff who have seamlessly worked together, many thanks to you.